happy anniversary to our worldwide family. Maraming salamat po for continuously. Hi Mama Tom, I miss you. Yes.
Of course, our very own Barney Queen nandito na po!
Napakaganda as always. There you go. Radiating so much youth and beauty that way. Go ahead, Sir Alan.
Yes, and of course, gusto ko po magpasalamat po especially to Sir Alan, of course, to Miss Anna and Miss Aira. And sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa Hype Worldwide, and to all the winners and who are keeping their loyalty to the brand, thank you so much.
Thank you din. Ang pinakilig mo kaming lahat. My goodness, to, ang kilig. Grabe yung goosebumps sa iyo. Ayaw lang bumaba ng
Sabi lang ang ganda ko ba? Nakita mo yung reaction mo magpasok niya.
Sobrang nagulat ako. Kayo nagulat ba? Ay, grabe. Take this opportunity, by the way, of course, to take photos. Ang hashtag natin.
I am Dominic and I am a anniversary.
Correct. At dahil dyan, as early as now, we would like to call in our board of directors to join, of course, Ms. Maya Rivera and Sir Alden Richards right here on the stage. Simulan po natin with our very beautiful
The one and only GM Adam Maniego, of course.